Hello students, we all like stories. Akbar and Birbal, King Krishnadev Rai and Tenali Raman are the favorite pairs of the wisdom stories. Do you like it? Yes, I know. You must like it very much. In your 5th standard English book, there are two stories of the famous pair Akbar and Birbal. The name of lesson is Who is the greatest? Who is the greatest? Open your book, page number 2. Lesson is Who is the greatest? Please, this lesson is for reading and understanding. Take pencil in your hand and underline the new words from the reading. Be ready. Lesson number 2. Who is the greatest? Emperor Akbar or Akbar the Great is known as one of the greatest in the world. Emperor means king, not just because he had a vast empire, a very strong army, untold wealth, but because he was good human being. Here, empire means a kingdom. He cared for his subject. He had great respect for scholars, wise, intelligent persons, writers, poets, and artists belonging to different religions. He was a patron of art and culture. Patron means a person who appreciates, supports, and encourages art and culture. The 9 gems or Navaratnas in his court were famous. Gems mean precious stones like diamond. The 9 gems or Navaratnas in his court were famous. Many people believe that of these 9 gems, Birbal was closest to the emperor's heart. Akbar loved to pose interesting questions or problems in his court. Pose means to ask a question, and Birbal never failed to come up with an equally interesting answer. We don't know whether all the Akbar and Birbal stories that we hear today have any basis of history. They have been handed down over generations mainly by word of mouth. Here are two of them, Akbar and Birbal stories. One day, the emperor, King Akbar, entered the court with a very serious expression on his face. As soon as he was seated, he said, I have a question for all of you. What should be the punishment for someone who pulls my mustache? Mustache means the hairs above the lip. It is called in Marathi Misha, mustache. The court was stern. Stern means shocked. Pull the emperor's mustache. It was unheard of. Flog him. Give him 50 lashes of the whip, exclaimed one nobleman. Flog means beat someone hard, especially with whip. Whip is rope-like weapon to beat someone hard. Whip, chabuk. That's not enough. Put him in jail without food and water, said the another. Whip him, beat him up, hang him, cut off his offending hands. Offending means harmful. The agitated courtiers. Agitated means very disturbed courtiers began to cry out. Only Birbal was silent. He was even smiling a little. What do you say, Birbal? What is your opinion? In my opinion, oh, giver of peace to the world, the offender should be given his favorite sweetmeats. Raja Birbal, are you out of your mind? Give sweetmeats for such a grave offense. Grave offense means very bad person, a wrong-going crime. The courtiers began to say. Birbal smiled and offered an explanation. Yes, who would be so bold as to pull the emperor's mustache? Only his own grandson. When Akbar heard this, he burst out laughing. Burst means laugh loudly, because that is exactly what happened in the morning. This is the intelligence of Akbar and Birbal, the smart guessing of Birbal of King Akbar's question.